everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Adela. I post lots of random videos on here, so if you like to see a bunch of random stuff, just subscribe to my channel. Link, subscription, yeah, hit the red button right there. But yeah, I post a lot of unboxing videos. I do some random makeup looks. I'm not a beauty guru of any kind. I just like to play around with makeup, review makeup. I definitely don't consider myself like Jeffree Star or James Charles material. I'm literally just an ordinary girl doing some ordinary makeup. I'm actually really excited because Zoe aka Zoella, Zoe Sugg, big beauty YouTuber, big YouTuber from the UK. If you don't know her, then where have you been? Zoe has a collaboration with Colourpop coming up, and she just announced that yesterday on her Instagram, and I'm just super excited. It launches on the 27th, but today I wanted to recreate, I was inspired by one of the looks that she had in one of her Instagram posts. It's kind of like pinky, but with like orangey tones behind it. I don't know how to describe it, but we'll see if I can achieve that. Wow, I look great. The foundation I'm using today is going to be the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. I have been loving this foundation. It's my go-to. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it in with my beauty sponge. This is from Real Techniques. I'm going to go ahead and I don't have a primer, but I'm going to go ahead and add this NYX Professional Makeup Concealer. This is actually a light, a dark circle concealer. It's kind of peachy, but I'm going to use it as just a base for the shadows to go on to. I am going to use these two Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and these right here. I won them in Ross's giveaway, which I will link her channel down below. She is the sweetest, and I love her unboxing videos and her reviews of products. She's amazing. Go check her out. I'm gonna leave her link down below. I'm gonna use my fingers, and I'm gonna use this color called Party of 5 1814. It's like a purpley color. And I'm going to apply that on this part of my lid. And I'm just going to use my finger because I realized that it is the best way for me to apply these shadows. It's definitely shimmery just like hers. And on top of it, I'm going to add the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Sequin. And this is more of a, like an orangey kind of color, like browny orangey color. And I'm just going to place it right on top. I'm going to take this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take this Essentials Crease Brush and the color Mugshot, which is right here. And I'm going to blend into the edges right there, kind of all the way around. Not too much in there. There we go. So I want to add a little bit more of that purple on top. I'm gonna take this shading brush and kind of put it over the top. And we're gonna take the same color and put it right underneath, really, really close to the lash line, like right into the lash line. I'm also going to take a little bit of the orange because it does look like she has the orange as well, kind of mixed in there. To add a little bit of pop, I'm going to take this Framed from the Jaclyn Hill color. It's the palette. It's this purpley color right here, just to add more depth to the bottom. also gonna take a little bit more just on the, really close to the waterline. I mean to the waterline, really close to your lashes, just right here. She does have eyeliner in the top line. So I don't think she has a flick, I can't tell, but we're gonna go ahead and just do liner. It kind of starts, it looks like right here, and then it kind of just follows her eye. This is an Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil. Definitely has fake lashes on, which I don't have any because I don't really wear fake lashes. But we're gonna go ahead and apply, I don't know if I should try this Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Should I? Maybe. Let's try it and see if we can get some long, voluminous lashes. Add mascara on the bottom lashes as well. Let's go ahead and do brows. So she has very full, bushy brows, and I like that look. So I have this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm just gonna brush through them real quick. I'm going to kind of shade, or like, not shade, but kind of draw my eyebrows in a little bit. Draw the shape in, and then I'm going to try to fill them in with that microfiber brow gel. Where is it at? So this I also got in my little beauty box, so we're going to try to see a really tiny one. Let's see how this works because I have never used this before. We're gonna go ahead and finish off the face. I'm gonna do some concealer, which I am going to add that NYX Professional Makeup concealer. This is like a peachy color to hide dark circles. So I'm just going to use my fingers and kind of apply it underneath my eyes real quick. This is CoverGirl True Blend. It's Lit Concealer. We're going to take it like that. Go ahead and set it with some powder. So my favorite powder at the moment is the e.l.f. Mineral Loose Powder type of thing. So I just put a little bit on the lid, and then I take a little Real Techniques kind of like fluffy brush, and just gonna start tapping it underneath my eyes. And I'm also gonna grab kind of like a fluffier brush and just kind of buff it onto, like, around my face, just to set everything. All right, next we're gonna add some bronzer, and I have actually been loving using Ulta Beauty little palette, and it's got a matte bronzer and a shimmer bronzer in it, and I just kind of mix those together with a big brush. So I'm just gonna go like this in both of them. Streaky lines down there is because I used a gradual tan a couple of days ago, and I was in a hurry and didn't really blend it the proper way. But then I am gonna go in to try to like shade my nose a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the matte shade and just like angle brush. yeah, it doesn't really look like she has highlighter in the picture, but I'm going to go ahead and add it in anyway. So I'm going to take that fluffy brush again. I'm going to take like, this is the Ofra highlighter in Everglow, the one with the collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. And then for lips, her lips look kind of like nudie, peachy, pinky to kind of go with the eyes. So the only thing that I have that's the closest to that color is going to be part of my Ulta collection here, which shout out to my friends who gave me the whole Ulta makeup bag with the goodies in it. I love it so much. Then I'm going to take this color. This is shiny liquid lipstick in mauve. Let's try to mix it with this. This is a Tarte lipstick. We're gonna go ahead and put some blush on from the same Ulta palette. We're gonna do this peachy color right here, not the pink, but the peach, with this Bare Minerals brush. I have this CoverGirl Look Lockup, so we're going to spray this on. This feels so great because the lights are so hot. Okay everybody, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. It's just inspired by Zoe. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see more. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!